Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Preeti Garg and I welcome you once again to my maths classes. Today we will be doing constructions, right? Now first of all, before starting with the chapter of construction, let us recall the previous knowledge of constructions. That means right now I'll be telling you how to construct the angles and their bisectors, right? Okay, so here we start. So now, first of all, let me tell you the basic angles. Now basic angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and all. Once you know all these basic angles, how to construct these angles, you will be able to do more constructions. Fine. So let us first of all start with the angles. Now, say for example, we are drawing an angle of 60 degree. First of all, we will be drawing an angle of 60 degree. So for that, what do we need? First of all, we will be drawing a line of any measurement. We will draw a line of any measurement. Let it be A and B. Right? Then what you do, you take your compass, open any radius in the compass and put it on A and make an arc like this. Right? Then the point that you have got, from this point with the same radius, cut the previous arc. You have cut the previous arc, right? After cutting this, you get this point, let it be Q, and then join AQ like this. Join AQ, right? So the angle which is made will be 60 degree. Understood? Let us check also whether it is 60 degree or not. We take RD, we keep it over here and then we measure, it is 60 degree. Fine? So this is all about angle of 60 degree. Now, say for example, we have to make the bisector of 60 degree. Or what is the meaning of word bisector? Bisector simply means half. To divide any angle into two parts. Now it is 60 degree. What will be the bisector of 60? 60 divided by 2, that is 30 degree. So that means if we have to draw angle of 30 degree or if we have to make bisector of 60 degree, in both the cases what will we do? The 2 points that we have got P and Q, we will be taking those 2 points. We can take any radius and then first of all, we will be keeping it on first arc and we make an arc like this. Like this. Then again with the same radius, we keep it on Q and then we cut the previous arc like this. Right? Now we have got the point. We have got the point. Then we join these 2 points. We join this point from A like this. And let me draw the dotted line to make the difference. Now this angle which is made will be 30 degree. I hope it is clear. First of all, you have made the angle of 60 degree. Then if you need to make the bisector or if you need to make the angle of 30 degree, and what do? The 2 points that we have, from those 2 points with any radius, but radius should be same for both the points. Then we draw an arc and then we draw the line. It divides the 60 degree angle into 2 parts, that is 30 degree and 60 degree. I hope it is clear. Okay, then moving ahead with the same thing. Now 30 and 60 is done. If we need to draw, in this step only, if we need to draw angle of 120 degree. 120 degree. So for that, what do we need? Same way, first of all, we draw a line of any length. we name that line A and B. Fine. Then what do? Again, we take our compass, open any radius in that, put it on A, make an arc like this, right? The point that you have got, name it P. From point P with the same radius, keep it on P and cut an arc. Now if you remember, when we cut an arc like this and if we join this line, this becomes an angle of 60 degree. But now we are requiring angle of 120 degree. So for that, what do? The point that we have got, again with the same radius, we make another arc, keeping it on the same point, we get another arc like this, right? Now these points are Q and R. Now if I join AR, if we join the points AR, this angle is 120 degree. See carefully, this angle is 120 degree. And if we join AQ like this, then this angle will be 60 degree. This complete angle is 120 degree. The smaller angle is 60 degree. और अगर हम इसका भी half कर देंगे, then we can get 30 degree, right? So I hope all these three angles, 30, 60 and 120, now you are able to construct. Okay, so practice all these angles, how these angles can be made, right? Then we will be proceeding on the next angles.